Mr. President should not talk the way he's talking, because he should be unifying this nation. We are from a very divisive campaign season, election period, where Kenyans are not divided. And if I can remember well, the president got 7.1 million votes. 6.9 million together with 8 million never voted. So that's 70% of Kenyans are not with the president. Only 30% are with him. Therefore, this is the right time for the president to unite this nation, not to make roadside declarations. Mr. President, together with Mr. Chebukati, are on a fishing expedition of factoids. The immutable fact is that elections were rigged. Where we agree, because also Chebukati is agreeing that elections were rigged, therefore a commission of inquiry should be formed. We also agree that a commission of inquiry should be informed. But this commission should start with the 2007 elections, where over 10,000 Kenyans were killed. So from that period, let us form the commission of inquiry and jail those people who were involved in 2007 skirmishes. When we start from there, then we'll be doing justice to Kenyans. So in 2007, there are people who were burnt in churches. And we know those people who did it. We don't want to speculate. Therefore, if jailing is to be done, if a commission is to be set, we start from 2007 so that we clean Kenya once and for all. So in 2007, after finishing 2007, we come to 2017. In 2017, those who are involved in election fraud, and remember, the Supreme Court of Kenya found Chebukati culpable of election malpractice. And this is a fact. So we also jailed Chebukati because already Supreme Court found him culpable of rigging elections in 2017. After jailing Chebukati, then we move very fast to MSANDO's case. A commission, the same commission, should investigate what happened to MSANDO and who killed MSANDO, and those people who were involved in MSANDO's death should all be jailed. And you see, when it comes to murder case, the sentence is either hanging, they be hanged at Uhuru Park, or sentenced to death. So after MSANDO, we go to Baby Pendo and other Kenyans who died in 2017. So once we do justice to these people, then we come to 2022. And in 2022, we clearly know what happened. Why would Chebukati conduct elections, having been declared by the Supreme Court that he was not fit to conduct elections in 2022? Because in 2017, he had already rigged elections. And I'm worried. Why is Mr. President concerned about Chebukati, who is a healthy Kenyan? Hata ukiangalia bwana Chebukati goes for spas, anaenda massage. Ukiangalia hata kipara Chebukati iko very healthy. Why is the president concerned na somebody who is very healthy? On top of that, somebody who is being paid 500 million Kenya shillings after leaving office, and is not concerned with those people who were killed in 2007, those people who were killed in 2017. We need to start that. So I'm of the opinion that we need to form the commission of inquiry, but start from 2007. Otherwise, we should stop the fishing expedition.
Okay. The president said there was a plan to murder Chebukati, abduct him and murder him. Was there such a plan because you are an Azimio kitchen person?
Because this is a very serious allegation from the president himself. And president, he has the right intelligence that is being briefed on a daily basis. So he knows those who were planning this. Can the president name and shame these people? Let him come out and say, so and so wanted to abduct Chebukati. Personally, I called Kibicho and told Kibicho to arrest Chebukati for bungling elections, because we had evidence of elections being bungled. But when it comes to murdering Chebukati, those are serious allegations that should not come from a president of the Republic of Kenya, because you are now a unifying factor. You need to work for Kenyans. Chebukati is not in a consumer basket. Kenyans, who are the consumers, they don't care about Chebukati. They care about their food, because there is hunger, there are no jobs. They care about their rent. They care about poor road conditions. They care about insufficient supply of water, like Nairobians and other parts of the country. So Kenyans are caring about basic needs, money to pay school fees. Those are the things we should be talking about. We should not be talking about how Chebukati was being planned to be murdered. Chebukati alone was declared null and void in running of elections in 2017 because Supreme Court found him culpable. So how many people did Chebukati murder by messing elections in 2017? Why are we caring about Chebukati's murder in 2022? Yet we don't care about those who Chebukati murdered as a result of the elections that he bungled in 2017. And even in 2022, how many people committed suicide? Even me, almost committed suicide. So Chebukati, you know, after Chebukati declaring Ruto as the president, we banked all our hopes there. Today, let me tell you, today, Babu Owino would have been a cabinet secretary for education. And education would be free. High school would be free. University would be free. Today, you would be having 6,000 Kenya shillings in your pocket.